Great photos can make or break an online store. So today we're going to actually show you how to make a simple Lightbox and use it to make great product photos. Not only is this super cost effective, but the end result is amazing. I'm Netta and this is Emily. Let's get started.
Let's take a look at our before and after product images. The one on the left was made with no special lighting, setup, or help. It looks okay, but as you can see, the background is busy and distracting and the lighting makes everything look flat.
Now you can use some editing software to maybe make it look better, but we're gonna show you how to get a great image right out of the camera.
If you notice the product on the right, it pops at you. There's nothing to distract you from the product, and the white background helps with contrast.
Yeah, because you want your customers to focus on buying your product, not trying to figure out if it's worth buying. So let's see how we set up the image on the right using a simple Lightbox.
You could find a pre-built Lightbox online. They run between $40 and $70, but we're gonna do the same thing for a lot less to get the same effect. Here's what you're gonna need.
A box, some parchment paper. You're gonna wanna have something that can take a little bit of heat so it doesn't burn. Cardstock, don't forget your scissors, and you're also gonna need a box cutter, and some tape, and 2 to 3 lights.
We're using these $20 LED lights because they'll fit on a portable tripod for placement. You could certainly use a couple of cheap desk lamps in a pinch. The point is to experiment and improvise. The size of the box you choose will obviously depend on the size of your product.
Right, and what we're gonna show you will translate to whatever you wanna make.
All right, now let's show you what we did. This is our finished Lightbox, our finished homemade Lightbox. We used the box cutters and we cut holes in the side and the top and on the other side, as you can see there. And then we took the parchment paper and the tape and we lined the parchment paper where we cut the holes, taped it on there, and we took our cardstock, we put that inside the middle and taped that to the top. Now, we're ready to light it. I'm gonna put one on each side. We're gonna put it right up against the parchment paper. That looks good. And now we're ready for our product. Thanks, Netta. All right, let's take some shots.
Let's take a few. Ooh, I like that, nice. Let's get some different angles of our product. Okay, let's take one with the camera vertical. Oh, I like that.
So there you have it, our 2 product images. I love the DIY aspect of all this. Here's a shot of our product pages before and after, and as you can see, it looks so much better.
We hope you were able to apply this cheap and easy trick to your product images and increase your sales and tighten up the look of your product pages. I'm Netta, this is Emily, and we'll catch you later.